Wealth is certainly far more than just money and investments. It's our role and our privilege to provide advice and to help educate our clients on what their wealth actually means to them in a straightforward and relatable way. Each of our clients are unique, and that is why our approach to wealth management is one where we pursue the right combination of not only the science, but the art of helping the families who we work with build, protect, and steward that wealth to not only the next generation of family members, but as well to their community and the philanthropic causes that they care about.
I first heard about Nicola Wealth through clients at my previous firm who were raving about the service that they received, the financial planning focus, the unique investment philosophy, a truly differentiated experience that is unique in the market. I could tell from clients who were either leaving to come to Nicola or had assets at both institutions that there was something really special about what was done here.
So what differentiates us the most? I mean, at the end of the day, as a firm, we have a planning first focus. So our advisors are planners first, fully licensed to talk about investments. But when you're a planner, you really get to know your client well. You know everything about their lives, their families, their goals, their objectives, and it allows you to build that trusted relationship, which also then creates that stickiness. So we as a firm have a 99% client retention rate, and that is because of that trusted relationship that we have with clients.
People say that they, treat clients and put them first, but here we really do.
In 1994, there were 7 of us managing 80 million in assets, and now we've grown to a firm that employs hundreds of people managing billions of dollars in assets with offices across Canada.
What we wanted to build was effectively a single team looking after all the clients in a completely cooperative, collaborative, and integrated way. So we know that our clients have had far better planning and far better returns, and it reflects itself in the kinds of referrals we get as a firm.
The 2-advisor model at Nicola Wealth allows us to serve our clients really well. From an infrastructure perspective, our platform for taking care of clients is sophisticated.
We are the future right now. We've invested a lot of time in our technology, our systems, our teams to grow and be ahead of the curve, whether related to compliance or innovative products. All these powerful tools that we surround the client with makes it easier for us. As advisors, we are really focused in doing what we do best.
Nicola Wealth, by all measures, is a growth company. Our revenue growth, our client acquisition, our employee base doubled over the last 2 years, and that's deliberate on our part. We are super excited about bringing our way of working with clients east. It's resonating, and being part of a growing team in Toronto, supported by colleagues in our head office in Vancouver, has been a really exciting opportunity. The other thing that really grabbed me was this share the pie culture. It's sharing profits with each other, sharing success with each other, sharing knowledge with each other, giving back to our community.
So we as an organization have a commitment both philanthropically within the company, in terms of individuals, in terms of volunteer time that they spend. It's not just an obligation, it's a desire to say we can make a difference in certain people's outcomes. We are a change organization. We look so different today than when we started. And it's easier to not fight the change, but actually be part of what causes the change to take place, so that you're actually doing it within the framework that matters to you.
Hello, and thank you for joining us today. My name is David Sung. I'm the president of Nicola Wealth. So who are we? Who is Nicola Wealth? Now, by way of quick introduction, we are an independent, employee-owned wealth management firm celebrating our 30th anniversary next year. We were founded with the vision of a differentiated service model, delivering sophisticated wealth planning alongside independent investment management. Our philosophy that this approach yields the best outcomes for clients continues to guide us. In 1994, John Nicola began with 7 people and 80 million in assets. In 2003, I merged my business with John's to combine to 3 locations and 200 million in private client assets. Today, as one of Canada's fastest growing private investment counsel firms, we are entrusted with approximately $14 billion in assets under management for clients across Canada, with a team of nearly 500 people and advisors in Vancouver, Toronto, Vaughan, Victoria, Kelowna, and Calgary. We are very proud of the business we have built. We value the trust our clients place with us and never take it for granted. Proudly, we share that the majority of our clients join us by way of referral, with a retention rate of over 99%, reflecting long-standing relationships, often spanning multiple generations, that we have earned. We value our trusted relationships with clients, and we make our decisions with our clients' best interests at the forefront. Our corporate governance structure establishes a robust framework for decision-making, risk management, and accountability. Our board of directors, along with various investment-focused committees, bring members of our senior leadership team alongside a number of reputable independent directors and advisors. Our board of directors includes our lead independent director, John Montalbano, the retired CEO of PH&N and RBC Global Asset Management. And John also currently serves as director and audit chair on the Canada Pension Plan Investment Board. Our governance structure has been designed and built to promote effective governance, fostering trust, transparency, and ultimately safeguarding the firm and its clients. What sets us apart across the industry, what makes us distinct and unique, is our truly integrated approach to wealth management, a union of diversified investment management and a dedication to advanced financial planning, which considers all aspects of your unique financial picture, helping you and your family achieve your ambitions beyond wealth. The first is our approach to investment management. Effective investment management requires an informed and methodical approach. We are guided by a strategic investment mandate which focuses on diversification, a long-term perspective, and having a clear investment strategy to help mitigate volatility. This approach, delivered through our three asset management pillars of public assets, private capital, and real estate, is the foundation of our various asset classes and our portfolio management as a whole. We are committed to true portfolio diversification. Building on a strong foundation of publicly traded securities, we've strategically expanded our investments to include access to hard asset real estate and private capital investments. The expansion of investment options for clients to these alternative asset classes has been a newer focus over the past few years for the general retail wealth management industry. However, this is not a new approach for Nicola Wealth. We structured our first hard asset real estate opportunity for our clients over 23 years ago and have been a pioneer in Canada in creating evergreen private asset class investment funds for high net worth individuals and families. We believe in this approach. It is practiced by the world's best performing institutional pension and sovereign wealth funds, resting on three core pillars, and is diversified not just across publicly traded stocks and bonds, but into the ownership of hard asset commercial grade real estate, the ownership of profitable private businesses, private debt, as well as allocations to institutional grade mortgages, infrastructure, and other private assets. Our private real estate funds continue to be an attractive asset class to our clients. Nicola Wealth Real Estate acquires and manages properties for the firm's three evergreen, open-ended limited partnerships. Our experienced team of over 100 real estate professionals brings a wide range of expertise, including acquisitions and dispositions, active asset management, leasing, mortgage debt, development for build-to-own assets, and finance and accounting. They employ a disciplined approach committed to building high-quality, income-producing real estate portfolios that are diversified both by geography and by asset type. Currently, with over 300 properties, we pursue real estate assets in markets across North America, focusing on the strongest performing assets such as multifamily rental apartments, small and mid-bay industrial, self-storage, industrial outside storage, seniors living, flex industrial, and low-rise office. We provide access to private investments not typically available to retail investors. Nicola Wealth's private pooled funds eliminate the barrier to entry, illiquidity, and restrictive investment cycles of traditional private investments, ensuring our clients' capital is deployed efficiently. Now, with $3 billion in assets under management, our experienced private capital team manages a portfolio of complementary asset classes, including private equity, venture capital, infrastructure assets, private debt, and real estate debt. This is done through a combination of using both established third-party funds along with partnering on direct investments, such as, in this example, our co-investment with the Canada Pension Plan on purchasing through our infrastructure fund, Ports America, a leading U.S. marine terminal operator. The term alpha is used in finance to measure one's ability to exceed benchmark investment returns. The delivery of alpha consistently and finding ways to go beyond is not easy, but it remains our objective for our clients. Our experienced and talented teams of portfolio managers, each focused on their respective asset classes, tirelessly pursue seemingly incremental advances of performance above the typical 60-40 portfolio. Last year, in 2022, the Nicola Core Portfolio Fund, our diversified fund made up of all the funds managed by Nicola Wealth, was up 7.5%, while most indices were down. It is this rigorous adherence to our process and our investment approach that has historically mitigated volatility for our clients. And for over 20 years, our Nicola Core Portfolio Fund annualized return has outperformed the traditional 60-40 balanced stock and bond portfolio by 2.64% annually. Even through several market downturns, the dot-com bust, the Great Recession, and the COVID-19 pandemic, all of which were significant in nature that they will not soon be forgotten, our approach still delivered for our clients. But wealth management is more than investment returns. We also remain focused on our unwavering mission to work closely with our clients, to understand your aspirations, to build, grow, and protect your wealth to leave a lasting legacy for your families, your community, and the philanthropic causes that matter most to you. We go beyond basic planning and focus on the larger picture of you and your family's entire financial picture. While we rely on our asset management team to drive investment decisions day to day, our role as wealth advisors is to work with our clients for a holistic understanding of their situation. That means that before we do any analysis, recommendations, or even a review, the first step is to fundamentally understand their lives and what's important to them. That requires a deep dive into your complex financial situation, including areas of structural and tax planning, estate planning, retirement planning, and charitable giving. We know that each of you is unique, and that is why, from our perspective, everything starts with planning. We don't believe in having a single conversation. Planning is an ongoing process, a series of conversations that address the shifting nature of issues and unknowns our clients face at varying stages of their lives. We understand that wealth is about much more than just money, and we encourage the families we work with to focus on ensuring stability and longevity throughout their financial journeys. We will continue to seek to guide conversations with our clients, sometimes down difficult paths, to uncover the things that matter most to you. Consider these financial questions. Is your investment portfolio protected from volatility? Do you know how much capital you will require to meet your retirement goals? Have you considered how you will create your legacy? Is your insurance positioned as an asset class and integrated with your investment strategy? Have you prepared your family to manage this wealth? Have you reviewed loans and mortgages to reduce interest costs and determine whether any of this interest may be tax deductible? Do you have a succession plan in place? Is your plan being regularly reviewed and adjusted to ensure you're on track? Our goal is to understand where you are in your financial life cycle and what you need to plan for. We begin with the end goal in mind, helping clients build a lasting legacy. With this in mind, we align our strong culture of giving back to help enhance our clients' gift-giving potential while maximizing a tax planning opportunity through a donor-advised fund, our Nicola Wealth Private Giving Foundation. Being one of the first wealth management firms in Canada to create a public foundation, the Nicola Wealth Private Giving Foundation was established 26 years ago in 1997 to access the advantages that a private foundation offers, but on actually a more cost-effective and private basis. And it is now one of the largest public foundations in Canada amongst financial institutions. To further support our clients' philanthropic goals, we absorb the administrative costs of our donor-advised funds for our clients. This leads to increased net returns that go back to the charitable causes our clients wish to support. The Private Giving Foundation is just another aspect of how our integrated approach is applied to every facet of your financial plan. Another differentiator at Nicola Wealth is the role our wealth advisors play in quarterbacking the relationships our clients have with other important advisors such as accountants, lawyers, and family offices. Clients experience better coordinated planning and reduced outside advisory fees when our wealth advisors step into this role. This is an integral part of our service model, and we know through the feedback from our clients that this is very valuable to them. At Nicola Wealth, we pride ourselves on the level of transparency we are able to provide through our comprehensive reporting. Our clients need to know that we are helping them to achieve results measured against their goals and objectives. Therefore, the reporting must be clear so clients can easily understand and we can be held accountable for the outcomes. With a technology team that is now 40 people, we have designed, built, and continue to evolve a custom client reporting system delivering comprehensive summaries to our clients. Our clients can view their portfolios, their net worth statements, their cash flow and retirement projections through our proprietary private client access website, accessible on desktop or conveniently on our Nicola Wealth client mobile app. With signed permission agreements, our clients' accountants can also access all the investment tax slips and investment tax reporting, making annual investment tax filing and reporting seamless to our clients. Boiling it down to one sentence, at Nicola Wealth, we go beyond in everything we do for our clients. We help them achieve their aspirations beyond wealth, and our purpose is to share our expertise and mastery in wealth management to help you achieve the goals and legacies that matter. Thank you for joining us today.